I'm John Barman. Welcome to this apartment on the Upper East Side. This is a family apartment, so we wanted to make it fun, comfortable, and exciting. To make the foyer dramatic, I painted it a dark charcoal. This is both exciting and brings out the color in the rest of the apartment, including this bullseye carpet, and I pulled the color out of it for these green benches. I put in this clear glass sculptural Sputnik chandelier, which ties into the etched glass doors leading to the family study. But down the hall is a space I had a lot of fun with. I wanted to make the most of this large space, while still giving the dining room and the living room each a separate feeling. I decided to make the living room area really colorful. We started with this custom-made rug that incorporates all the colors we wanted to use in the living room. There's a bright yellow, a bright green, and shades of gray. That gray carries through to the sofa and into the dining area. The yellow we used on the patterned pillows on the sofa. We also used it on this oversized swoop-back contemporary chair. And the green from the rug we used for cushions on the window seat. With the views and floor-to-ceiling windows like this, I knew I had to incorporate it in my design. The window seats function two ways. One, to take advantage of the fabulous view, but they're also added seating for the living room. The bright green cushions on the window seat is a good juxtaposition to all the big gray buildings outside. And you can sit up here and take in some of the best views in town, or take part of the conversation in the living room. To give a sense of continuity to the space, the dining room also features gray. I put this wall covering on the back wall, which continues up on the drop ceiling. This not only gives continuity, but also delineates the space. Another way I defined the area is with this hand-blown glass light fixture. This chandelier not only gives a focal point to the room, but it also bathes the table with an ambient light. And the spherical shape of the chandelier echoes the Sputnik light in the entry. Having comprehensive elements like this is the secret to good design. The expandable dark wood contemporary table is offset by the white leather chairs. I told you this is a home for a family, but these white leather chairs are very easy to maintain. For the bar, I designed this custom cabinet with a mother-of-pearl inlaid front. To finish off the space, I put in this custom sideboard. The top is a gray veined granite, which is great for serving. It also has a tremendous amount of storage, which is always useful. As a finishing touch, I put together a collection of mid-century glass and porcelain in the wonderful yellow color of the rug. So for the principal bedroom, I went for a more relaxed palette. It's mostly shades of blue, with some gray to tie into the living room. But to add interest, rather than color, we used pattern and texture. The wall-to-wall carpeting in the bedroom is an organic pattern, mixing blue and white. It gives a cozy, intimate feel. And the custom bed has a one-of-a-kind headboard. There's fabric on the inside and wood on the outside. It curves around to feel like it's almost embracing you. On either side of the bed are hanging pendant lights of spun glass. I often like to play with contrasts in my design. For example, the stripes on the bed play off the wavy pattern of the curtains. So again, without color, I've given interest to the space. An additional piece of furniture in this room is this custom bench, covered in deep blue leather. It brings out the blue of the carpeting. For the principal bathroom, we used a blue and white marble mosaic on the floor to contrast the carpeting in the bedroom. It looks great bathed in natural light from the big window. This apartment is all about balancing family needs and style. But by using bright colors, interesting patterns, and practical furnishings, I think we achieved that. Thank you for taking the tour.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?